Hey guys, welcome back. This will probably be the last build. I'm going to trim this out, cut the doors, and do a little pattern on the doors. Try to make it look a little bit fancy. We'll see how it works out. Let's get into it. Here we go. I just ripped some strips of white oak to make the trim. Made them 3/4 by 1/4 inch and nailed them on with some brad nails. I just used scrap 3/4 inch plywood to make the door faces and brad nailed them into place. Shot a few brad nails in just to hold it in place, and then once I got them held in place, I went back with some screws and drew them up real nice and tight. A friend of mine ripped out a bunch of cabinets out of an old house and gave me a bunch of hinges. I don't know what I'm going to do with all of them, but I used 4 of them. Once again, everything was free here. There's about a half a gallon of red paint that I had left over from some project for a dance studio, I believe. So I just painted everything red. Unfortunately, I forgot to take a picture of the beforehand shot, but you can imagine what it looked like. It was horrible. Tools thrown everywhere.
you.